Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix weak cellular signals on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, many iOS 17 users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of weak cellular signals, that their signals are too weak and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you are one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in the right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check your network coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with good network coverage. Weak signals may be due to being in a location where the network strength is naturally low. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simple restarting your iPhone can help refresh the network connections and improve signal strength. To do this, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then our step number 3 is toggle your airplane mode. Turn on your airplane mode from control center, then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off again. This can force your iPhone to reconnect to the cellular network and refresh your networks. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Software update can include improvement to cellular connectivity. So you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying this all step and you are still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for physical obstructions. Obstacles like buildings or large structures can interfere with signals. Try changing your location to see if the signals improves. If this doesn't work, then you have to do reset your network settings. This will reset all network related settings on your iPhone, including Wi-Fi password and VPN settings. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.